Hi guys, welcome to MS Power Automate. In today's video, we will learn how to control file and perform data entry. Over here, I would like to automate a process where the robot will look for my files in my disk input folder, and I will do a filtering based on only xlsx, xls, and xlsm. After that, I will launch the Excel file, read the data here, and perform a data entry into the AnyTellerDemo application. Okay, so I will get the transaction number, enter the values here, and click on the accept button. Once done, we will update at our column D the transaction number. After that, we'll move those files from my input to my success folder. Alright, so let's start off with get files in folder, and I will indicate my input folder path. And then over here under filtering, I can put xlsx, and for multiple extension, I'm going to put dot xlsm and another semicolon, and I will put dot xlsx and end with an asterisk. Alright, and then I do not need to enable this option. Under advanced here, if you are trying to sort them based on the last modified time, up to you. But for now, let's keep it simple. It will produce a variable called files. Okay, for each of these files, I will rename this to current file. I want to launch my Excel. And open a following document. Over here, I will indicate my current file. And I want to run it in background. Next, I will use get first free row. Read from Excel worksheet. Value from a dish of cell. I will start from column A, row 1, and column will be C, and end row will be first free row minus 1. Under advanced option here, remember to enable this option as we have a column header. We will store inside this Excel data. Alright, so for each item in my Excel data, I want to perform a data entry. So over here, I've already created a subflow of data entry. So what this does is that I will check if the window isn't open, which is my this application, and then I will run the application. Afterward, I will get the details of my transaction number. I will populate the cache in. So from here, I'm going to use the current item and then my column name. I will add dot trim to avoid empty spaces, and then I will do the same for my on us check. And not on us check. Okay, now I'm going to run this subflow. Run subflow into my each item here and perform data entry. Okay, so after I perform the data entry, I need to update my Excel, right? So it will be column D, Excel row 2. Okay, so if I were to use write to Excel worksheet, value to write is my transaction ID, and column D at which row. For now, we don't know at which row, right? We need the counter because this one will start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it may be the number may increase. So we're going to create another variable here and put it on top of for each. We'll call it as Excel row counter, and we start from 2. Okay, and then we will use an increase variable. Increase by 1. Click save, and then over here I will indicate my Excel row counter. Okay, and then one more, I've created an additional subflow here to kill my Excel and also my AnyTellerDemo application. So as a start, to play safe, let's run another subflow here to terminate our process. And also at the end of our run, we will terminate the process again. Alright, so over here, after we write the SI, we're supposed to save the file, right? Let's use save Excel. Or you can use close Excel. Put it as save document. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, let's stop this bot first, and then let's take a look at our files. Under my input, AnyTellerDemo 1. Let me read only. Let me see which file that I'm actually opening right now. AnyTellerDemo 1. Okay, so technically I did not save it, but I realized I missed out one step. I'm supposed to move the file to my success folder, right? So I'm going to use move file right over here, and then the file to move, I use my current file, and if it exists, I just want to overwrite it. And then the destination folder, I will put it as my success folder. And I don't need this variable. Click save. Alright, now you can test this flow. We have completed the steps on how to look each file in folder and perform data entry. So if you're keen to learn more, do remember to subscribe our channel as we have constant update and tutorial videos on Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Thank you.